welcome. Today we are going to do your stacked stone fountain tutorial. I'm going to show you how to assemble this beautiful stacked stone fountain step by step. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need. Here's what is going to come in your stacked stone fountain kit. You're going to get your fountain bowl. We are going to have a cord clip. We have our stacked decorative stones, our support ring, and of course our pump with the tubing. It will come to you with the tubing in place already for you. You will also want to have these tools ready. You will want to have clean water and towels for water splashing. And then of course, safety first. Always ensure your fountain will be plugged into a GFCI protected outlet to prevent electrical hazards when we are dealing with electricity and water. And choose a level, stable surface. For this part, this initial setup, you may want to lay down towels because there will be splashing as we get our water flow just right. So first we are going to prepare our bowl and pump. Make sure that the pump is on the lowest setting. You can turn it up and down, but we want to be on the lowest setting for the initial setup. Too much power and you'll have a geyser instead of a waterfall. So first we are going to run the cord through our support ring. There is a notch. You are going to want this to be on the bottom that the cord will rest snugly through. So place this in the basin. Cord through. Now I like to give the cord a little bit of slack here. We're going to put the submersible pump in the basin, and I like to wrap it around the support ring. Just allows for us to have a little bit more movement control when we want to position our rocks. Now that we have that in the bowl, we have our cord threaded through our groove, and we are going to gently push down on the pump to engage the suction feet. There. Now your stones are pre-washed, but it's always a good idea just to rinse them off to get any dust or debris off of them. It'll keep your fountain water cleaner longer. And a fun fact at this point, every stone has a face, and what that means is that there is one side that is most visually appealing or best presented outward due to its unique natural characteristics. No two stones are alike, just like in nature, making your fountain completely unique to you, and you get to choose which side you want to display. So before stacking, you may want to spend a few minutes looking over your stones and seeing which side you feel more drawn to. Now, gently, we will stack our first base stone here. It is going to easily slide over your tubing, and this is where we will begin to start with our arranging here. And we may want to twist it, so you're just going to spend a little time getting this first stone how you want it. Gently, we can just make sure the tubing is pulled through. And we are now going to add the second stone over the tubing. Now, if you received a stone that did not have a tubing hole, this stone is going to be helped to be used to level the stones and support them. So you'll see, just spend a little time arranging that. And this will change as we do get our water flow going. So this is just the initial setup here. And you know, it may change as you, if you decide you want a different side to be facing. So you will also notice that the tubing does not go completely through the stones. So what we do with our top stone is we're just going to line it up with our tubing hole there. Perfect. Now for the fun part. We are going to fill our basin with clean water, and we are going to fill it until the pump is completely submerged. I like to go to the top of the support ring. There we are. And now, just a little side note, you'll get different levels of water sounds based on the level of water in your fountain, but just make sure that the pump always has to be submerged at all times. All right, now we get our towels ready and we're gonna plug in the pump and adjust our stones for our water flow. Now, when it's first used, there may be air in the pump, so it may take several minutes for the pump to properly prime. So what we need to do is actually just give it a minute to get it primed and get the true power of the flow coming through, because it will prime up here, and the pump will, once that air is out, it will become silent also. Oh, there we go. Got our flow. Perfect. And now we have a beautiful silent pump, and we have our wonderful water, calming water cascade here. And so at this point, you just are going to take some time to really arrange it the way that you like. Get that cascade sound the way you like it. And get your stones arranged the way that you want them. Once that is done, you will simply attach your cord clip to the back of your fountain for better cord concealment. And there you have it. Your beautiful stacked stone fountain is complete, and this water feature will provide years of relaxation and enjoyment. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helps.